My brothers and sisters in Islam and in humanity at large, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We have reached to the 7th episode of United States citizenship process, and over here we have 15 questions starting from 76 until 90th, and then we have one last episode which is only 10 questions, and these will complete the 100 possible questions that you may face with the during your interview of citizenship. So over here we have the American history. With the American history, we are done with section A, and we did some questions with B. Now only 2 questions of section B has remained, and then we are moving to section 3 of American history, and then we have other ones coming up. So I did mention 2 points. One was the disclaimer, and the other thing is the circled questions like this. And I want you to refer to my second episode of this subject. I mean the immigration, the citizenship process. So over there you will find what are these 2 points, what is the disclaimer and what is the circled questions. Now coming to the question, the first question says, what did Emancipation Proclamation do? That's the question. Now let's see the answer. So you can say in 4 different sentences. The first, freed the slaves. B, freed slaves in the Confederacy. Number 3, or C, freed slaves in the Confederate States. Number 4, freed slaves in most southern states or southern states. So you can say one of these 4 with the question number 76, or as an answer to question number 76. Then we have 77. What did Susan B. Anthony do? Now the answer for this one: A, fought for women's rights. B, fought for civil rights. Then we are going to the C section of American history. With the C section we say recent American history and other important historical information. And then we are starting with question number 78. Name one war fought by US in the 1900. So in the 1900 you have a couple of choices, and you can say only one of them. Number 1, World War I. Number 2, World War II. Number 3, Korean War. Number 4, Vietnam War. Number 5, Persian or Gulf War. So those were the 5 choices you have, and then you can just remember one of them for the interview. And 79, who was president during World War I? That's the question. And the answer is Woodrow Wilson. Woodrow Wilson. Number 88, who was president during Great Depression and World War II? So the answer is Franklin Roosevelt. Franklin Roosevelt. Then we are going to question number 81. So with question number 81, who did the US fight in World War II? Now the answer, Japan, Germany, and Italy. 82, before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? That's question number 82. So that was the World War II. 83, during the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Once again, during the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? And the answer is communism, the school of thought, communism. 84, what movement tried to end racial discrimination? That's 84. And the answer is civil rights or civil rights movement. Number 85. So number 85 is one of the circle questions, as well as number 78 was one of the circle questions. And you know that it's really important for all of us, especially for those who are 65 years of age or older, and they have spent 20 years or more in the United States, and they're not able to read and write well. So they take an interpreter from their family members or somewhere else, and who can help them with the interview process. So they still need to have these basic civic education. So that's why these circle questions are relating to them. Now the question is 85. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? That's the question. And you have two options. One, fought for civil rights. Number 2, or B, work for equality for all Americans. So 86, sorry. Or event happened on, okay, I think the question is, what event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? That's the question. What major? Okay, actually it's major. Okay, so what major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? That's question number 86. And you would say terrorists attacked the United States. That's the answer. 87, name one American Indian tribe. Once again, name one American Indian tribe in the United States. So over here, you have a lot of choices, and the officer or USCIS officer will be supplied with a list of federally recognized American Indian tribes. And I'm going to name a couple of them. Number 1, Cherokee. 2, Navajo. 3, Sioux. 4, Chippewa. 5, Choctaw. 6, Pueblo. 7, Apache. Number 8, Iroquois. Number 9, Creek. Number 10, Blackfeet. Number 11, Seminole. 12, Cheyenne. Number 13, Arawak. Number 14, Shawnee. Number 15, Mohegan. Number 16, Huron. Number 17, Oneida. Number 19, Lakota. Number 28, Crow. 21, Teton. Number 22, Hopi. Number 23, Inuit. These are the tribes. You can name just one of them, whichever is very easy to you guys. Then that was the 87, and then we are going to the next section, which is called Integrated Civics. And with Integrated Civics, we have A, which is Geography. With Geography, we are starting with question number 88. Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States. So there is 2 longest rivers. You can just name one of those 2. And what is that? So 1, Missouri or Missouri River. 2nd, Mississippi or Mississippi River. Number 89, what ocean is on the west coast of the United States? So you would say Pacific Ocean, or you can just say Pacific. Number 90, what ocean is on the east coast of the United States? So that's the 90, and you would say Atlantic or Atlantic Ocean. So my friends, we are done with the 15 questions, again from 76 until 90th, and then with the last episode we will do 91 up to 100, and those are again the 100 possible questions. So I'm encouraging you guys, if you want to share this video with other friends and family members who are in need of this, inshallah you will get the reward and I will get the reward. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khair. You have a nice time.